Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything. This prevents false inputs and protects components. Once off, open System Preferences to confirm trackpad options aren't accidentally disabled because software can mimic hardware faults. Next, physically clear the surface. Use a soft brush or microfiber and canned air from an angle to dislodge crumbs. Make sure to work gently. Excessive force risks scratching. After these quick steps, you're ready to move into deeper diagnostics that isolate hardware versus software causes. Once done with the basic cleanup, boot into Safe Mode to see if third-party apps are causing the issue. Safe Mode loads minimal drivers so you can confirm software influence. Next, visually inspect the case edges for slight lifts. Battery swelling can deform the trackpad and cause erratic clicks, so make sure to check that carefully. Then create a new user account or plug in an external mouse to compare behavior. Consistent faults across accounts and mice point toward hardware rather than settings. You now perform targeted fixes. Reset the SMC and NVRAM or PRAM using the model-specific key sequence to restore low-level hardware control. This often cures erratic trackpad power issues. After that, update Mac OS to eliminate driver bugs and reboot. Make sure to test the pad after every change so you can identify what fixed it. If the pad still fails or you found battery bulging, stop using the machine and arrange professional battery replacement. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.